Fine-tuning English. Mastering omitted relative pronouns. Hello there, language explorers. Welcome back to our journey of unraveling the intricacies of the English language. Today, we are going to delve into the world of relative clauses, specifically focusing on the omission of relative pronouns. Yes, you heard it right. Sometimes, these pronouns can vanish in our sentences, making them sleeker and more natural. So, let's dive right in. Before we jump into the exercises, let's refresh our memories about relative pronouns and understand the conditions under which we can omit them. Relative pronouns include words like who, which, that, and so on. They are used to provide additional information about something referred to in the sentence. You can omit the relative pronoun when it's the object of the relative clause. Remember, this only applies when the relative pronoun is followed by a verb or by a preposition plus noun. Let's look at a couple of examples. The man that you saw yesterday is my uncle can be shortened to the man you saw yesterday is my uncle. The book which I bought is very interesting can be shortened to the book I bought is very interesting. But keep in mind, we cannot omit the relative pronoun when it's the subject of the clause. For example, in the sentence, the man who lives next door is a doctor, the pronoun who cannot be omitted. Now comes the fun part. Let's practice omitting relative pronouns from sentences. It's simpler than you might think. All you have to do is identify the relative pronoun, check if it's the object of the clause, and then remove it. Example. Let's take the sentence, I saw the dog that you adopted. In this sentence, that is our relative pronoun, and it's the object of the clause. Hence, we can omit it. So the sentence becomes, I saw the dog you adopted. Enough of the theory. It's time for you to put your knowledge to the test. Here are a few sentences for you to practice with. 1. The people who you met at the party were my cousins. 2. This is the phone which I bought yesterday. 3. I like the shirt that you are wearing. 4. The girl who you were talking about is my sister. Try to rewrite these sentences by omitting the relative pronouns. Remember, practice is key to mastery. That's it for today's session, language explorers. You've done a fantastic job of learning about omitted relative pronouns. Keep practicing, and soon you'll find that your understanding of relative clauses and pronouns has significantly improved. Don't forget to tune in for our next video where we will explore another exciting aspect of English grammar. Until then, keep exploring and happy learning.